It's a certified 2018 Mercedes-Benz GLS. The standards set by the GL class meld with the standards set by the S class for another step forward in luxury. The interior is richly appointed, the performance dignified, and its ease luxurious. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: automatic transmission, four-wheel drive, integrated navigation system, memory exterior door mirror settings, front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats, automated parking sensors, streaming audio, memory steering wheel settings, dual zone climate control, auto dimming rearview mirror, and twin turbo V8 engine. Mercedes-Benz keeps setting the standard and driving forward. If you've been waiting for the perfect time for a test drive, the time is now. Experience it today.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.